Good day. Do you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir. I am Cristina Tomines, 43 years old, married with 2 children, ages 23 years old son and 9 years old daughter, and living from Maglungwan, Kawayan City, Isabela. I have 2 sisters. I am the middle in the family. I am college graduate in Diploma in Agricultural Technology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I worked in Hong Kong for 2 times. In the first employer, I served 2 couple and 2 children, 9 years old and 10 years old. I do the household chores like cleaning, laundering, and marketing. But my main job is to look after the 2 children. And in my second employer, I serve 4 members of the family, 2 couple and 2 children, ages 1 and 3 years old. I do the household chores like cleaning and laundering. But my main job is to take care of the 3 years old daughter.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I'm securing the safety of the children. When the baby is sick, I check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to go to abroad to provide for my family and especially to my daughter.
If you get hard, you will take care of your
My
children.
husband, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus to my work and tell to remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 9 or 9:30 after my work, and I wake up 5:30 or 6 in the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I be more patient and calmer when dealing with them.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. Like steam, stir fry, and cooking soup like long soup and simple soup.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. 5 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell down and banged his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkey jumping on the bed."
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, patient, and responsible person, and I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.